In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Marriott discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Marriott discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called returnme.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this one with the settle in and save on 5 plus consecutive nights, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And right here, this is the promo code that you can simply copy. And you can use this promo code in order to get this promotion right here. Also, going back to our main site right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And on this website, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code that you can simply copy from right here. And if you use this promo code on your next booking, you should be able to save a 10% of your price. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.